Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here back with another video. In this video we are going for a small hike to the Sandakphu, which is in the West Bengal and the eastern part of the Nepal. So we are starting our hike from the Nepal side and we are going Sandakphu, and from there we are going towards the Jobari. And currently we are in a small village called Mahimajua. We were here from the past 5 days and we were involved into the restoration work here, especially the habitat and forest restoration. So talking about this trek, we are starting it from Chheokharka. Chheokharka is a small inhabitant in the Mahimajua village. Cheu means the corner and Kharka means the grassland, and earlier it used to be the pasture land for the domestic animals here, and there were a lot of people were nomads, so you can see this all were the grassland, but currently the number of the herders and everything is reduced, so they are converting this barren land into the forest. So we are starting our trail from this path and we are slowly going up. We are at Mahimajua and we are here in the Amrit Dai's homestay, and today we are leaving for Sandakphu from here, and yeah, Amrit Dai is with us and it was very nice staying here. Dai, फिर कैसा लगा आपको हमारे साथ?
बहुत खुश हूँ मैं, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
हाँ जी, फिर आएंगे
अगली बार पड़ेगा ना।
हाँ जी,
हम वेलकम करते हैं।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
इतना दिन रहा,
हाँ जी, बाकी
साथ साथ काम किया।
हाँ जी,
ये जीवन का ये मेमोरेबल
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
पल है, इसलिए
हाँ
मैं
जी, हाँ
बहुत
जी।
खुश हूँ। मैं
कहीं मिलना लिखा था मिल गया
मिल
क्यों?
गया,
चलो
ये संयोग भी है।
बाकी अभी इलाम में मिलेंगे,
हाँ,
फिर बाकी
मिलेंगे भाई,
है ना?
हाँ,
ठीक है,
बाद में भी इलाम में
ठीक
आता हूँ,
है, फिर चलते हैं हम लोग आगे की ओर। Being behind this home, we are moving ahead and yeah, starting our journey for the day. As we are moving ahead towards our trail, we came across this tree. This tree has a wild berries, you can see. Also we found few wild strawberries and in this trail, and this berry the local people used to call it through the different name. The few days ago when we asked Dai, they said it is a kesari, and yeah, it has little violet color and little bit of grape, kind of Oregon grape its name. And also we spotted the various wild strawberries here which can be edible, so we are collecting it. We can try it. It bit sweet and tangy in taste, and it leaves behind the color when we eat. So it is nice wild fruit, and in the way we may find more this kind of fruit and the strawberries. And yeah, moving ahead. While walking on the path, we find this lot of the wild strawberries, and we are eating it as a snack and continuing our journey towards Sandakphu. Currently, we are walking on the ridge of the two community forests. This side is a different community forest, and this side is Santapur community forest. And we are walking in these trails and going ahead toward our journey. As we are moving ahead, you can see we have entered into the forest, and this is especially the rhododendron forest. You can see in the both sides of the trail we can see numbers of the different rhododendron species. Although we are a bit late, so if you come in the perfect season, then you can see lot of rhododendron here, and this whole landscape is filled with rhododendron. And yeah, you can see how the trails we follow.
Hello, myself Ananda Patil, and today we are going to Jawbari by hiking, and also we were working with Red Panda Network, and as of like our work, we are building a water hole for wild animals over here in Maimozua village, and this one is also one of the water hole, and you can see the water is now drinkable for wild animals here. So we wanted to share this.
Here we came across two paths. One path is going towards Some Lakma, and other path is going towards Sandakphu. First we will go this way, and later we come back towards Sandakphu trail.
After hiking 1 hour, we have reached Somelangma location, and now we are going to climb this. Let's go.
अच्छा, ये अभी हम सोमेला मालूम में है। ये संदकपुर गांव पालिका, संदकपुर म्यूनसिपालिटी वड़ा नंबर 2 में है। इसका थोड़ी कहानी बता रहा हूँ। सोमे आत्मीय लाखमा का वो कहानी है, वो हैंगिंग होना है। वो शो में हैंगिंग करके वो स्लिप होके नीचे गिर गया। ऐसे पीछे शो में लाख मालूम इसका नाम हो रहा है, वो बता हुआ है सब लोग के। अभी इसमें एक ट्रैकिंग है, इसमें ट्रैकिंग रूट के पर्यटक क्षेत्र है, ये पर्यटकीय स्थल है, ये पर्यटक के लिए बहुत अच्छा है।
After hiking around 1 hour, we are here in Somé Lugma. The giant rock is named as a Somé Lugma, and there is a story behind it. The Somé is the name of person, and Lugma is hanging. It is believed that once there was a guy called Somé, and he was a very fond of the Gauthali. It is a bird which are rare in this area. So he has seen the nest here in this rock and he came here to take the eggs of those Gauthalis. When he climbed and maybe he slipped down and hanged there and died. So this rock is named after him, as Somé means person and the hanging. And this rock is like a conical structure hanging in the middle of this landscape, and we can spot it from very far also, from different locations here. And from here we can get a very beautiful views, and yeah, you can see it. It's really nice. As it is the morning time, the view here is very clear, but in the afternoons and all these days are very foggy in this area, as the arrival of the early monsoon in the region, and currently we can spot very good views of the whole valley. इवनिंग के टाइम पे यहाँ पे है, तो देखिए सब जगह थोड़ा फोगी हो रहा है, और यहाँ से नज़ारे काफ़ी शानदार है। पूरा 360 व्यू देख पा रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ से। We can see that in the trails, this kind of the railings are constructed. Before that, people used to go through. You can see that that wooden stairs. It was more risky earlier now compared to this. Yeah, currently the things are quite good. Currently we came from the Somé Lagma and we are going toward this way, towards Sandakphu. behind me you can see the various rocks, and it seems really beautiful, and we are going ahead in our trail. In this trail here is a lot of rhododendron trees. Most of the rhododendron season has been gone, and but you can spot in this tree a few pink rhododendron flowers are blooming, and it's really looking nice. As we are moving ahead, so we have seen lot of the rhododendron flowers are fallen down, and only few are left on the trees, and we are moving ahead toward these trails, and the trails are pretty steep and going upwards, but the views here is very nice, and in this area we are able to see very giant rocks, and in between we have lot of rhododendron trees, and we are walking between it. We are about to reach on Sandakphu, you can see that, and before this we encountered with this herder's house, and it is really beautiful inside. I want to show you. You can see that this is the spot where they live. Yeah, you can see they have a bamboo bed, and along with it they have a fireplace. Also, this place is where they keep their animals. Yeah, it looks very nice. Now we will have little bit of snacks and yeah, move our journey ahead. We are about to reach Sandakphu. Then in between we have seen the rhododendron with a little bit violetish color. You can able to see. Sandakphu is very famous for its sunrise. Also, from here we can get a glimpse of Mount Kanchenjunga and Mount Everest, Makalu, and few other mountains. But currently, due to the cloudy weather, we can't spot any of these mountains. But we reach on the top of Sandakphu. This is a sunrise point at the top of Sandakphu, but currently you can see nothing is visible. due to clouds, and we reached here. Ananta, how was the trek?
It was awesome.
Yeah, we reached the top, and for the later journey we will see if we get some support or assistance, then we will go choose that, otherwise we will walk. And yeah, we are here at Sandakphu, and it was really great trek. So currently we reached Sandakphu, and you can see this is the highest point of the West Bengal, also the Ilam district of Nepal, and it is around 3,500 meters, and you can see the very nice view here. And this side is the India, and this one where I am standing, it's in Nepal. So yeah, look at it. Currently, we are having tea here in the one of hotel in the Sandakphu, and the time right now is around 12:40, and we are here. We are having tea here, and after a while, we will start our journey towards Jobari.
Singalila National Park. Leave nothing but footprints and take nothing but memories.
Currently, we are descending down from Sandakphu and going towards Kalpokri, and in this way we are going through the rhododendron forest. But here the rhododendrons are little violet in color, and we are moving ahead. So we are going down towards Kalpokri, and we are trekking on the road simultaneously in the trail route, and this road is the Indian road, and here we spotted pink rhododendron, and some of the flowers have fallen down, and little bit are left here, and yeah, see, and we are going down. We are walking through these trails along with the road, and after little while we are about to reach Giribas, and from there we have to ascend up to Jobari. And yeah, so we are moving right now. We are coming from the down, as from Giribas one the road goes to India, and other goes, this off road goes towards Jobari, and we are taking this off road, and from here the trek is all inclined, and maybe in 40 minutes or hour we will reach there. But we are thinking in the way we will also have a little snacks. So we are moving ahead in this trail, and I stopped for a while. Also, I'm waiting for Anantha, and maybe we will have little snacks and continue our journey ahead. Maybe it's only a half an hour left for our journey. So friends, we are just about to reach Jobari, and only 100 meters left to reach Jobari. And we came through this path, and you can see behind me there are some white and the green. This is nursery, the Red Panda Network nursery. So currently we are engaged in this works, and you can see the whole landscape behind me. Red Panda Network is restoring this whole landscape, and we are as a trainees assisting them in this activity. So the hike was tough. We had covered around 22 kilometers in 9.5 hours, because in the midway we have took a lot of rest, and but the initial steep was also a bit challenging, and it took a little more time, and as we are also visiting on the other spots, and yeah, just we are about to reach, and the hike was really good and weather was very sportive. Yeah, we are about to reach, and let's go. You can see the village in the background. So let us know that how you like our hike and the views in the way, and maybe in the future we will bring more such video, and just keep supporting us. And you can see view the Jobari. Currently it's a bit cold here,